Hi everyone, my name's Rob. I'm the sales manager here at AUV Porsche and Prestige. We're pleased to have on sale in the showroom today this lovely Porsche 718 Cayman. It's the 2 Litre PDK. The car has a September 2017 67 reg and has covered just 2,000 miles. It has the 7-speed double clutch PDK transmission. It's 300 brake horsepower, 0 to 62 in around 5 seconds, and has a top speed of 170 miles per hour. If we start by taking a look at the exterior of the car, you'll see that it's finished in jet black metallic. It has rear park assistance, twin sport tailpipes that are finished in black, and the Cayman 718 badge, and the retractable boot spoiler. The alloy wheels really set this car off. They are the upgraded 20-inch Carrera S wheels finished in high gloss black. The wing mirrors on the car are colour coded to the body and they're power folding retractable electric. The car headlights are by Xenons with integrated LED daytime running lights. Let's now take a look inside the car. You'll see the stainless steel Cayman door entry guard and black Porsche carpets. The car has the two-way electric heated Sport Plus seats finished with black Sportex Leather. They're a really comfortable seat but still retain that sporty feel and look great with the guard's red seat belts. The leather in the car extends to the dashboard and centre console, steering wheel and the door cards. It's got a lovely contrasting silver stitch that really makes this interior look and feel great. This car has the Sport Chrono Plus package with sport button. You'll see the white stopwatch there and white instrument dials as well. A really nice colour combination that enhances the car's interior even further. The PCM has online navigation, mobile telephone preparation, audio interfaces, auxiliary and iPod inputs, Apple CarPlay, wireless internet access. Also has VTS as well, vehicle tracking system. As part of the Sports Chrono package, you get the GT steering wheel. It's multifunction, finished in smooth black leather with matching stitching. The steering wheel is also heated as well. This is a one-owner car with lovely low mileage. It doesn't require a service until September 2019 or at 20,000 miles. Another final look around the car. You'll see that it's in absolute pristine condition. Lovely colour combination. Lovely specification. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope it's helped you get a good idea of the condition of the car and its specification. Please get in touch to discuss finance options that are available. If you have a car to part exchange, we'd be more than happy to give you a price on that too. So thanks for watching. We look forward to hearing from you or taking your call or email. Bye for now.